On today's video I'll show you how you can create an Apple ID. So yeah, if you have any Apple product like iPhone, MacBook, then automatically you'd be able to create an Apple ID, and in order to use your Apple ID you must have any of the Apple devices. So yeah, but in order to sign up you don't need one, I guess. So let's get started. Okay, I'll show you how you can create an Apple account. So open your web browser and type apple.com. Alright, so yeah, so this is the Apple homepage, and they are advertising their products like iPhone X, iPhone watches, no iWatches. And then if you scroll or bottom, here's the footer menu. Okay, and under the account section, here's the first option, which is manage your Apple ID. Just click on that. Alright, okay, so on the next page, if you can see on the top right, here's the option for create your Apple ID, right? Alright, so click on this, create your Apple ID, and just wait. Alright, so yeah, this is the form you need to fill up for the sign up. So your first name, your last name, your country details, your birth date, then you can pick a Apple ID email, then put your password, then they have like a couple of security questions which you need to pick up. Alright, then and finally enter this CAPTCHA very carefully. And if you are vision impaired, you do have a sound option as well. Alright, so once you entered all these details, then click on this continue option to create an Apple account. So yeah, that's how you can do it. So go to apple.com. On the bottom you'll find manage your account option. Once you click that, this page will open, then fill up this form and click on this continue option. Thank you so much for watching.